Hey, it's Matt from Black Hole Woodworking. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a very small, quick project. The bottom of a chair foot went missing, so I'm making a new one. This is made out of pine. I'm using a 1/2-inch spindle gouge to rough it down to size, and then using my caliper to get it down to the final size that I need, at least for the part sticking out at the very bottom. Using a parting tool to kind of get this all down. Maybe not the best choice. This thing's going to look super rough, but that's okay. I mounted this piece of wood onto a homemade screw chuck. There's literally a long screw sticking through the piece of wood and screwed into the piece that I'm using. And that screw is much longer than it needs to be, but that allows me to adjust it in and out when I need to. Time to get rid of the rest of the waste so I can get to the part. We'll call it the shank. It sort of fits inside the chair leg. That's what I'm getting down to now. Back to using the calipers and a parting tool just to get this down to the dimension I need. It's about 2 millimeters smaller than the part that actually sits on the floor. If you notice the ridges on the shank, that's partially on purpose. Sort of like a grip to make it stick inside that shank. May not look like it's on purpose, but it is now. Here I've marked the edge of the foot, I guess, that needs to be at an angle. So the top part, or the front of the foot, is longer than the back. Now that I'm inside, where it's warmer, it's time to color this thing. I was going to use paint, but the Sharpie was so handy, I just went with that. It needs to be black. It's going to be at the bottom of the chair that you're hardly going to see at all, and most of it's going to get covered by those little fuzzy things so the chair slides around a little better on the floor. And this is actually the first time putting it in. And it fit quite nicely. I could press it in with my thumb, but it was still snug enough to stay. Here comes the little fuzzy part, and then visually I'm just checking this is the one that I just made, and it looks just like the other one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.